Hi guys, how are you? Hope you're all doing well. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Pockets of Peace, guys. Kindly consume my content, guys. So today I want to show you some easy something so easy. You can do it either breakfast time, dinner time, at any time you can do it. I want us to do some indomie and some eggs, guys. So follow along, guys. Guys, kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel, guys. Get me to 1,000 subscribers, guys. Yes, guys. So I don't wait for my water to boil, because as I said, it's something easy. You can fix at any time.
Mommy eggs, mommy eggs, cook, 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 mommy eggs. My guys, guys.
Guys, you've noticed I've not added in my bumbu sauce and my chili. I'm going to do that after the indomie is cooked. It gives it more flavor. Yes, guys. simple meal for you, either breakfast, lunchtime, dinner time. Maybe when you're a bit full and you need something to eat, you can always try this. And make sure you try that idea of not adding the bumbu sauce in when you're boiling your indomie. It gives it more flavor. If you like chili, you can always add it in, guys. That's it for today's video, guys. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, share, like my videos, guys, and we can do this, guys. Bye, guys.